A new stock of his shirts has arrived at Vineet's shop. The shirts are packed in two boxes. In the first box, out of 90 shirts, 30% are red. So there are two boxes. This is box 1 and this is box 2. And in box 1, there are 90 shirts because it is given out of these 90 shirts, 30% are red. So how many shirts are red? 30%. So 30% of this number is 27. If 70% of the shirts in the second box, we do not have any number about the number of shirts. It is given only that 70% of the shirts in second box are red. So out of the total number of shirts in this box, 70% are red. Red are 70%, right? The overall percentage of red shirts would be 40%, right? If 70% of the shirts in the second box are red, then the overall percentage of red shirt would be 40%. If the percentage of red shirts in the second box had been 90% instead of 70%, the overall percentage of red shirts would have been, we have to find this value. So let's just see. Uh, okay, so we have to solve this question smartly. We are not calculating percentages, but we are doing it through allegation, right? Just see, out of 90 shirts, 30% are red. And if you mix these 30% red with 70% of the red, you are getting what? Overall percentage of 40%. So you are getting overall percentage of 40%, which means that the ratio of the weights, right? The ratio of their weights would be, this is 10%, this gap is 30%. So I know this lot and this lot has to be mixed in the ratio 3:1. So we can say there are 3 unit shirts of there are 3 unit shirts, out of which there are 30% red. So this 90 shirt is equal to 3 units, 90 shirts. So I know 1 unit would become how much? 30 shirts. So we have the total number of shirts in box 2, which is 30. Now it is asked that if the percentage of red shirts in box 2 had been 90%. Now we are mixing 30% with 90%, and the weight of these two lots is 3:1. Shirts are in this ratio, 90 shirts and 30 shirts, right? So 30 and 90 would give me how much? I'm again using allegations. So this gap is 60%. It is divided in this ratio, 1:3. So it becomes 45%. This is 50 and this is 45. So ratio is 1:3. So overall percentage of red shirt would have been 45%. Correct answer is option A.